Want to make money on TikTok in 2025, even with 0 followers? No dancing or expensive gear needed. TikTok is now a top platform for making money online. Whether you want side income or full-time cash, TikTok offers free traffic. Let's break down proven methods step by step. Method 1. Affiliate marketing. Promote products, earn commissions. Choose a niche like money, fitness, or beauty. Join affiliate programs like Amazon or online courses. Create short videos showing problems and solutions. Put your affiliate link in your bio. Content that solves problems is key. Method 2. Sell digital products, ebooks, templates, guides. Create ons, no shipping, high profit margins. Examples: TikTok Growth Guide, Content Planner. One viral video can bring sales 24/7. Method 3. TikTok Creator Rewards and Brand Deals. TikTok pays for views through its Creator Rewards program. Brands pay creators to review products or create content. Many brands work with accounts under 10K followers. Method 4. Offer services, freelancing. Sell video editing, social media management, or coaching. Post tips related to your skill and invite messages. TikTok pays creators who take action, not perfection. Start today, stay consistent, and results will come. TikTok is not just entertainment, it is a business. The platform offers multiple income streams. Affiliate marketing is great for beginners. Digital products offer high profit potential. Creator rewards boost income as you grow. Freelancing turns skills into revenue. Consistency is key to TikTok success. Solve problems with your content. Engage with your audience. Stay updated with TikTok trends. Monetize your TikTok presence now. Turn views into income today.